Uptown Swing number 1.
Level 1, 8 count.
8 count, Maddie.
Peter.
We did some new stuff. Double turns, rock, step, triple step, double turn. And the other way, rock, step, change places, and double turn. Y'all did great with that. Maddie's gonna show you the turn a little bit.
Followers, we tried doing that turn by ourselves, where we went open, close, turn, turn, triple step. If you want to break it down, you want your shoulders facing 180 degrees almost every time. Rock, step, triple, turn, turn, and then that triple step is where you round it out.
Leaders, just a reminder, we got to get this hand to go actually around the head. It's tempting to just do this and just sprinkle fairy dust and be like, yeah, go. And in class, the followers just go. On the social dance floor, they look at you and are like, what? So remember, we got to actually get that feeling. Followers, don't push that hand straight up. Makes it hard for the leaders to lead. We just let it hang, and we go around. And then the other way, my hand comes over like this. I kind of look at my watch, I make that space. And what we did all together was we put in a swing out. Hey, taking our time. It takes a long time to happen in a circle. Then open, close, a double turn one way, and then take it the other way, a double turn. You could do the whole thing over. You know what I mean. And a do, a da, a do, do, do.